Today it's just me, Mr. R, and Mr. M, because Mr. B is doing the horizontal salsa with a person that we will not mention,
Nope.
out of respect, obviously. So what we got today is I have another Mr. B, a friend of mine.
Hold on.
Oh, we got a plane going overhead. Okay. So Mr. B 2.0 asked me to give his bike a tune-up. Change the oil.
Front forks.
Front fork seals.
Air filter.
The air filter, spark plugs, the front brakes, new brake pads in there, and then thing will be honky dory again. So for us, this is not too
much
difficult.
of a biggie.
No,
not too much.
we can handle it.
We got this.
We got this.
We're that good.
We're that good.
All right.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it. Ooh.
Oh, sorry. I'm an amateur.
Ooh, look at boom. There's boom shakalaka. All right, replace that one. Put it back.
In there.
What goes up must go down. Put it in. You can do it.
I know. I like a little bit of friction.
Yeah. People get charged 200 euros at least for this.
For something that simple, eh?
200 euros. All right.
But it's more of the man hour that gets put into it that they're paying for
course.
because they realize that it's not that difficult. But so now take off the spark plugs. But the engine is really hot. Dual spark. See, that's got one electrode and two bridges. These are nice plugs.
Yeah, it's
So the plug that goes into the 750 is a CR9EK.
I'm not gonna touch those things. You know why?
Yeah, we've had that experience with you. See, Mr. M here, in the beginning of his career as a biker, with his Sportster that he used to have.
Great Sportster, great thing.
It was a great Sportster, 883 out of 2003.
Very good.
That was a nice bike too.
Yeah,
I like
good
that
sound. Yeah.
Great sound. But he did his own spark plugs, and I gave him a torque wrench, and he didn't know how to use it.
Well, I was trying to hear the click, but I didn't hear a click, so suddenly my gut was telling me I should stop, but then I need to hear a click, but because then it's in proper spec. So then I thought to myself, well, let's just try a little bit further, and then clunk.
Yeah, and then he kind of almost stripped it.
Oh, I stripped it, yeah, and then I used a very big, what is it called, a drill? A very big drill, and I put it in, and then I unscrewed it out. It happened all in just like 2 minutes, so I was in panic mode, and I got to a solution, so...
Yeah, he figured it out himself, so I was
yeah,
we were all pretty impressed by this young man here.
Yeah, I was gushing water from my, you know where. But you reckon Mr. B will arrive shortly?
No, he's not coming here tonight.
Wait, he shouldn't be sleeping there.
But he is.
That's why he went on the bike, so he could go home. That's why you have a bike. You park it, you do it, you dump it, you ride home, because you have a better bed.
Oh, well, I don't know. I haven't slept in his bed or his
he likes camping.
girlfriend's bed.
No, you haven't.
Have you?
No, hell no. Not even with his
wow.
dick, though.
Well, we are going to drain the oil by removing the oil plug.
Yeah. Careful, the oil is hot, so I'm...
1, 2, 3, pull.
Oh.
So this is what an oil stain looks like on your bridge.
So as you saw, we got the oil out a little bit too fast. We spit it, it just gushed out like crazy, and the oil container couldn't fit enough because of the stand. So it got very messy. Took off the oil filter, replaced it, filled it with oil. So now we're going to start on the front forks. Oh shit.
See what I mean?
We got so
hell
much beer
no.
yesterday.
You fucking vegans.
Oh, we're
Bump it out.
You have to
Move harder.
Pull it apart.
no up, not down, up.
Very hard upwards.
That's a cum shot.
What's the matter with the cat today? I need a move, I'm just getting the to the body. Hit that, jump, shake, move it out of wow. See ya.